Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the past and future transition. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this transition. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, add the footage with the green screen. Below, add the footage you want to appear on the green screen. Click on the green screen footage and select Chroma key. If you want the footage in the green screen to be smoother, click on this icon, and then select the green color on the television. Make sure to adjust the settings right. Now click on the footage below, go to Color, 3D LUT and select Bandwidth Film. Find a good point to make the transition. Then click on the footage above, go to Animation and add a keyframe. Go a few layers later and adjust the scale to 400. Then crop it and delete the second part of the clip. At the same frame, also crop the footage below and go to Color. Change the 3D LUT to none. Now go to Transitions and search for Flash. Select the Flash White transition and drag it in between the two clips of the monkey. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.